Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to remove this Windows weather trim on Lexus NX. First we need to remove the door panel and need to push down the windows, the front windows, and you feel the glass is here, so I start from here. I just try to grip and bend it a little bit and pulling up that way up. Yes, start losing lightly, okay, and then here is a clip what we don't need to breaking, and very nice come off without break anything. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.